Do people have this desire to be superior to others? Or they want us to be all equal? Hope
I
you
think
got my question.
people do. People have that that feeling of being, they're not being pious. They want to be arrogant and show off their superiority over other people.
Superiority is everywhere.
Hmm.
And it is this sense of superiority which determines the positions of the people. And in dunya, in this world, we have this sense of superiority. We want to be superior to over others. We want to be recognized than others. We want the higher positions than others. That's why I say the fundamental flaw with the Karl Marx's theory, classless society, is that it can never be achieved on planet. That you can remove all the classes of the society and you will have one single class of society. It's deadly impossible, because for that we need to create another human being with that particular nature. As far as a present human being with a present human nature is concerned, we cannot have it, because it's an inherent property, is an inbuilt characteristic of a person to be superior to others. And it is this sense of superiority which makes him to feel and which makes him to despise others. It is this sense of superiority which makes him to feel that he is better than others. So likewise, in Jannah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to use this potential. We have this potential, we have this sense of superiority. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to use this in terms of akhirah. First thing in the akhirah, in the Jannah, is that there is no hatred, there's no jealousy, there's no envy. So if a person tries his best to achieve higher and higher stations, for example, if a person is having many children, one excels, he becomes happy. Second one excels even more, he becomes more happy. If the third one excels more than the two, he becomes even more happy. This is the fatherly affection, this is motherly affection. That more the children cross the limits of success, more he becomes happy. There's no jealousy that why the second one got the higher position than the first one, or why the third one got the higher position than the second one, or than the first one. There's no sense of jealousy, because every time the children move ahead, the father becomes more happy. And it brings, we can say, it adds one more feather to the cap of the father and the mother. Likewise, in Jannah, Allah wants us to achieve higher and higher stations. And in dunya, what we find that in our friendship, in our relationship, in our neighborhood, when we see that people are excelling, people move forward, so we grow jealous of them.